Hey there, future empire builders. Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, your ultimate source for turning dreams into dollars. Today, we're about to blow your mind with 10 incredible grants that'll give you a whopping $33,000 for living expenses plus free tuition. And guess what? Age is just a number here. These opportunities are open to everyone. So sit tight, because we're about to catapult your financial future into the stratosphere. 1. The Maverick Entrepreneur Grant, $33,000 plus a free MBA. Where to apply maverickgrant.org. Buckle up, because this grant is your express ticket to business stardom. You're not just getting $33,000 to cover your bills, you're scoring a fully funded MBA at a top-tier business school. But here's the real gold. You'll be paired with a Silicon Valley mentor who's already crushing it in the business world. Potential profit. We're talking seven-figure potential within 5 years. With an MBA and a seasoned mentor, you could be the next tech tycoon making headlines. 2. The Digital Nomad Dreammaker Grant, $33,000 plus an online degree of your choice. Where to apply? nomaddreamgrant.com. Digital nomads, this one's for you. Snag $33,000 to fund your globe-trotting lifestyle while earning any online degree you fancy. Absolutely free. Whether you're into digital marketing, AI, or even exotic pet psychology, this grant's got your back. Potential profit. Play your cards right, and you could be raking in $5,000 to $10,000 monthly within a year. That's $60,000 to $120,000 annually while sipping coconuts on a Thai beach. 3. The Green Tech Innovator Grant, $33,000 plus an environmental science degree. Where to apply? greentechgrant.org. Eco Warriors, listen up. This grant is your chance to save the planet and stack some serious green. You'll get $33,000 for living expenses, a free environmental science degree, and access to a cutting-edge lab to bring your earth-saving ideas to life. Potential profit. With the world going green, you could be the next Elon Musk. Develop the right eco-friendly solution, and we're talking potential profits in the millions. The Crypto King Grant, $33,000 plus blockchain technology certification. Where to apply? cryptokingdom.io. Crypto enthusiasts, your kingdom awaits. Score $33,000 to live on while diving deep into blockchain with a free certification. Plus, you'll get exclusive access to top crypto investors and seed funding for your own digital currency project. Potential profit. We've seen crypto millionaires emerge overnight. With the right idea and timing, you could be looking at profits in the hundreds of thousands, if not millions, within a few years. The Social Media Sorcerer Grant, $33,000 plus social media marketing degree. Where to apply? socialsorcerygrant.com. Social media mavens, this is your moment. Grab $33,000 to cover your expenses while earning a degree in social media marketing. The cherry on top? You get a budget to run your own campaigns and build a massive following. Potential profit. Top influencers are making millions annually. With the right strategy, you could be looking at $100,000 to $500,000 per year within 2 to 3 years. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. The AI Alchemist Grant, $33,000 plus artificial intelligence degree. Where to apply? AIalchemistgrant.ai. Future AI wizards, your spellbook awaits. Secure $33,000 for living expenses and a free degree in artificial intelligence. You'll also get access to state-of-the-art AI tools and mentorship from industry titans. Potential profit. AI startups are attracting massive investments. Develop a groundbreaking AI solution, and you could be looking at a multi-million-dollar buyout within 3 to 5 years. The Health Tech Hero Grant, $33,000 plus a biomedical engineering degree. Where to apply? healthtechhero.org. Health innovators, your time is now. Bag $33,000 to live on while earning a biomedical engineering degree for free. Plus, you'll get funding and support from medical pros to work on your own health tech project. The health tech industry is booming. Create a successful medical device or app, and you could be looking at profits in the millions within 5 years. 8. The Virtual Reality Visionary Grant, $33,000 plus VR development certification. Where to apply? vervisionarygrant.com. VR enthusiasts, step into your future. Grab $33,000 for living expenses and a free certification in VR development. The kicker? You get your own VR lab to bring your wildest virtual dreams to life. Potential profit. The VR market is set to explode. Develop a hit VR game or application, and you could be raking in $500,000 to $1 million annually within 2 to 3 years. 9. The E-Commerce Empire Builder Grant. $33,000 plus a digital marketing degree. Where to apply? EmpireBuilderGrant.com. Aspiring e-commerce moguls, this is your golden ticket. Score $33,000 for living expenses and a free digital marketing degree. But that's not all. You'll also get a fully funded Shopify store and mentorship from 7-figure dropshippers. Potential profit e-commerce is booming, and the sky's the limit. With the right products and marketing strategy, you could be pulling in $250,000 to $1 million in your first year alone. 10. The Quantum Computing Quester Grant. $33,000 plus a quantum physics degree. Where to apply? QuantumQuestGrant.org. For the ultimate tech visionaries, this grant is your quantum leap to success. Secure $33,000 for living expenses and a free degree in quantum physics. You'll also get access to cutting-edge quantum computers and collaboration opportunities with tech giants. Potential profit quantum computing is the next frontier. Develop a breakthrough application, and you could be looking at a billion-dollar valuation within a decade. Now I know what you're thinking, this can't be real, but trust me, these grants are 100% legit and up for grabs right now. The catch? Not many people know about them, and the application windows are short, so you need to act fast, but don't sweat it because I've got your back. In our next video, we're doing a deep dive into the application process for these grants. We're talking insider tips, application hacks, and secret strategies that'll put you light years ahead of the competition. Can't wait? I've put together an exclusive grant application mastery course just for you. This isn't your average course, it's your step-by-step blueprint to landing these life-changing grants. We're talking templates, checklists, and even one-on-one coaching to perfect your application. And for the next 48 hours, it's available at a price so low, it's practically stealing. Remember, these opportunities won't hang around forever. The world is changing at warp speed, and those who jump on these grants now will be the millionaires of tomorrow. So don't wait, don't hesitate, and definitely don't let self-doubt hold you back. You've got what it takes to be the next success story we feature on Kingdom Cash. Picture yourself a year from now. Living expenses covered, tuition-free education in your pocket, and a clear path to financial freedom. All it takes is that first step. Are you ready to change your life? Are you ready to join the ranks of the Kingdom Cash elite? Remember, success leaves clues, and we're here to decode them for you. These grants are your clue, your sign, your golden opportunity. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.